Patience 8. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the great tests and difficulties the righteous predecessors faced during their lives, and how they overcame them through patience and sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted. One of the ways of achieving this is by always comparing one's difficulty to harder and more severe difficulties. When one does this, it will make their problem seem small and less significant. This change in focus can aid a Muslim to be patient and remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted. This can be explained through a worldly example. A person suffering from a severe migraine can be affected in such a way that it seems to them that the world is collapsing around them. But if this same person was on a ship which is about to hit an iceberg and sink in the middle of a freezing ocean, then their severe migraine will not seem like a big deal. In fact, they would probably not even be affected by it at all, as their whole focus would become shifted to the imminent life-threatening danger, namely, the sinking ship. This is how a Muslim should behave during difficulties. When they encounter a difficulty, they should realize it could have been much worse, and try to shift their focus on greater difficulties they could have encountered. This can be achieved by observing others who are in more difficult situations than them. For example, a person who suffers from back pain can ponder over the person who is physically disabled. Or they could ponder over much greater difficulties, such as death and Judgment Day. This comparison will reduce the significance of their difficulty and its effects, which in turn will aid them in remaining patient and steadfast on the obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.